To secure Aws Amplify AppSync integration, start by understanding the basics of AppSync and Amplify. AppSync is a managed GraphQL service that allows you to build scalable and secure APIs, while Amplify is a development platform that helps you build, deploy, and manage scalable mobile and web applications. First, ensure you have an AWS account and have installed the Amplify CLI. Next, create an AppSync API and configure it to use AWS IAM authentication. This will allow you to manage access to your API using IAM roles and policies. To integrate AppSync with Amplify, run the command amplify add API and select AppSync as the API type. Then, configure the AppSync API to use the Amplify project and follow the prompts to complete the integration. To secure the integration, enable IAM authentication for the AppSync API and configure the necessary IAM roles and policies. This will ensure that only authorized users and services can access the API. Use IAM roles to manage access to the AppSync API, and configure the necessary permissions and policies to control what actions can be performed on the API. You can also use Amazon Cognito to manage user authentication and authorization for the AppSync API. To encrypt data in transit, use HTTPS to secure communication between the client and the AppSync API. You can also use AWS CloudWatch to monitor and log API activity, and AWS X-Ray to analyze and debug API performance. Best practices for securing AppSync and Amplify include regularly updating dependencies and libraries, using secure protocols for data transmission, and monitoring API activity for suspicious behavior. By following these steps and best practices, you can ensure a secure and scalable integration between AppSync and Amplify. Key concepts to remember include the importance of IAM authentication and authorization, the use of HTTPS for data encryption, and the need for regular monitoring and logging of API activity. By understanding and applying these concepts, you can build a secure and scalable AppSync and Amplify integration that meets the needs of your application and users.